Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 13, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Second grade, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th grade, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 7, 2. Column G, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. Column G, we got 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 3. Second grade, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only 1 number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 5, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. First grade, we have 9. Column H also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 9. Column C, column B also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 3. Column J also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. Column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 7, 8. 8th row, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, only 1 number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4. 9th row and 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, column J, column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. First grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Third grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.